Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Said Sifat Al Shahriar, and I have my groupmate Jinat Firdaus. Today we are here for the demo video of our project work of computer organization and architecture assignment. So let's start. In this video, I'm going to talk about benchmarking laptops for student learning. Okay, so here is our work part and the content. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So what is benchmarking? Benchmarking is a process of comparing the performance of different computers or computer components. It used to measure the speed, efficiency, and overall performance of a computer system. So here are our some of the objectives you can see, and also we have some of the scope. So in this project work, we have chosen two computer model. One of them is HP Vicious 15 and another one is HP Pavilion 15. You can compare their prices, CPU and GPU here. Okay, so let's go ahead. So why is benchmarking important for students? Let's discuss about this one. Benchmarking can help you choose the right laptop according to your needs, which is also similar for any student's case. Students' needs is fulfilled through the laptops. If you are a student, you need a laptop that is powerful enough to run the software you need for your studies. Benchmarking can help you compare the performance of different laptops so that you can choose the one that is best suited for your studies. Okay. I already told you I benchmarked two popular laptops. So here are some of our benchmarking results. You can see this one is for HP Vicious 15 and another one we have calculated the CPU and Nova Bench as well. This one is for HP Pavilion 15. Okay, so now let's discuss about the result from the above examination or testing, whatever you say. So okay. So here you can see the CPU single thread and CPU multi-thread. All data are available here. And also we have calculated the multi-thread ratio. So you can clearly see the difference between of the AMD Ryzen and the 11th generation Intel Core. So this one referred the HP Vicious 15 and this one referred the HP Pavilion 15. Okay. And also we have the difference of the processors and graphics card as well here. Okay. So now let's discuss about the CPU performance. Okay, first, let's talk about HP Vicious 15. HP, this one is a gaming laptop that is designed for demanding tasks such as gaming and video editing. It is equipped with a powerful AMD Ryzen 5000 5600 horsepower processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti graphics card. And for HP Pavilion, this one kind of more affordable laptop for any kinds of student or working officials. So this one is designed for everyday tasks such as browsing in the web, checking mail, and working on the documents, or also work with the Microsoft or Google Sheets. And it is equipped with an Intel Core i5 1135 G7 processor and an Intel Iris Xe graphics card. So I have already told you the results. So now let's go ahead. Okay, now let's discuss about the CPU Z. So here the laptop single thread score, multi-thread score, all are above there. Okay. So you can see the values of there. So And here we have also the GPU performance between the HP Vicious and HP Pavilion. You can clearly see the difference between those two. Okay. So let's talk about the final decisions. Between these two laptops, HP Vicious 15 and HP Pavilion 15, what is the suitable for student? For me, it should be HP Pavilion 15 because firstly, this one is working friendly for students and this one is also cheap in price for students. So this one definitely should be an option and better options for any types of students for their any types of study works. So thank you. That's all from me. Now I am handing over to my groupmate Jinat Firdaus.
Hello. Branching is an important tool that can be used to compare the performance of different laptops. In this video, we have demonstrated how branching can be used to choose the right laptop for student learning. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you for watching our video. This is all about the demo video of our project work.